Okay, I'm going to go over how to dimension this first figure with you just so that you know. You don't have to make yours look exactly like mine, but I'm going to point out the important features here. The first one is that we're going to do what's called the datum dimensioning, which means that we're going to measure everything from here and from here. Basically, we're using this point as our starting point. So all of our height dimensions are measured off of this line and how high they are based on this as our kind of origin line, like an origin from math. And we use this as our other one. Everything going in our width is measured from here. Then in our front view, this view, we're also going from this side, and we're measuring all these from this side. Let me point out some important facts. These are evenly dimensioned. Everything is outside my figure. My extension lines are not touching my picture in any of the places. Now here, this line crosses this one, but it's actually going to this point right here, and it's not touching right there. So that's the proper way to do that, so I can get to this middle part here, is to dimension to right there. Now the question is, why did I put this height on this part instead of over here? If I tried to measure this height on this side, it would go to a hidden line. We never want to dimension to hidden lines. Sometimes you have to, but you never want to if you can avoid it. By just moving this dimension for this part to this line here, I've avoided the dimensioning the hidden line. This is preferable. Again, even though it's crossing this part here, I'm not touching right there where I'm pointing at, so that covers the no touching. Here, since this is only one wide, I didn't have space to leave a blank space to put my number in, so I just put it a little bit above there. And I think that's basically most of the points that you'll want to know as you're doing this, so make sure you get this one dimensioned, and then you're going to move on and dimension the rest of them using these same rules.